Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Yepp. So the app YEPP. So I'm just going to open it, and then all you need to do is just click the icon on the top left. Once you click that, on the right hand side you got the money, the Yepp money, so just click on that one. An ad is going to appear, and you should be able to remove it within a couple of seconds. So there you go, just remove it on X. Once you here, basically click on withdraw, and then click on new withdraw. When you are to new withdraw, it says how much money do you want to withdraw. So in this case, since we have 1085, I'm just going to type in 1085. Now it says for TRS20 wallet ID. So what we need to do is just go to the Binance. I'm going to go to the Binance myself. Click on the wallet at the bottom left. So wallet. Once you're into the wallet, make sure you are in a spot. You can choose a deposit. USDT. If you don't have USDT showing up in here, you can just type in USDT up here and should show up. So click on USDT, choose the I'm just gonna Tron. You got the one at the bottom, TRS20, so I'm just gonna click on that. Now it gives the new contract, so just copy the contract. This is the one in here, copy that. So once you copy, now you have done the job. All you need to do is just go back to where you were, type in twice, or just hold here, and then it comes up the option paste. So I'm gonna paste the contract, and I've done this bit. Now all I need is an email address. So let's just type in example, because I'm not gonna send it now, I just want to show you, at gmail.com. Something related to that, and in the end just click the button done. Once you click the button done, it takes a couple of days for them to normally they check out if in case you have misused the app by making a fraud earnings, and once it's been accepted from them or they check out, they will release the funds. And you should receive a fund in your Binance account. So once you log in, you will receive a message on your Binance saying so-and-so money has come into your account, whatever. And then afterwards, you can just withdraw and reinvest it, or you can withdraw from Binance if you want to. This is the way how you do it with Yepp app. Hope this video helps. Let me know in a comment below if you got any question. If you asking for someone, okay, you know, like I've got about just under 1,000, can I withdraw? No, you can't. It has to be minimum 10,000 to withdraw, or else you cannot withdraw them. So it used to be 10 Yepp in the past, but they put extra numbers in there to show up that you know, you can withdraw only when you have a 10,085. Is it hard to make it? It's not very hard to make it. All you need to do is just put the link, affiliate link from this app into a TikTok or other social media website, and then you can just withdraw. So invite friends, when it says that invite friends, if you click that one, you have your affiliate link in here. So just copy that. And once you share this link with anyone, if people register, they give you something in about 200, I think, over 200 to 400 per affiliate. So it's not very hard. I think if a couple of them that register, you can make 10 USD, and then you can withdraw same way as I did just now. So thanks for watching. Hope again this video helps. Let me know in the comments below if you got any more question, and please do subscribe as well. It will help our channel, and we will into share more in the future, more videos, by creating more videos, more content in a good way, just so we can help you. Thank you.